Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll tell you how often to change oil. Mercedes recommends servicing based on assist intervals. For the B180, oil and filter change every 15,000 kilometers or 12 months. Brakes fluid every 2 years. Cabin filter and air filter every 2 years or 30,000 kilometers. Spark plugs for petrol every 60,000 kilometers. Service A cost is between 250 and 350 euros, and Service B includes additional checks and filter replacement between 400 and 600 euros. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.